Hello, dear students. Grab your notes and let's begin together. In today's lesson, we will watch for main ideas and details, consider the importance of data science.
When we're watching professional sports, we all want our team to win. But that's not all we want. We also want to know how and why they won or lost. Who made the most passes? Who missed the most shots? And if you are the manager of the team, it's important to know how your team can improve. To provide all this sort of information, we now have what is called big data, the millions of pieces of information that are collected about every game, team, and player in professional sports. And to analyze that data and extract useful information, we have data scientists. One sport that has decided to take data to heart is professional basketball. And the biggest basketball league in North America is the NBA, or National Basketball Association. Every NBA arena has 6 cameras that record the exact location and action of each player during the game. These cameras produce huge amounts of data. Data scientists can then look at this data and extract statistics about how often and how successfully each player shoots from different positions on the court. Making the data understandable is part of the data scientist's job, so they need to be good at extracting useful information and producing reports that summarize that information. What's more, data scientists can also analyze the team's opponents to help coaches create effective strategies for each team they play against. A few years ago, having a data scientist gave an NBA team an advantage in the tough world of basketball. Nowadays, Every NBA team has its own team of full-time data scientists who are focused on analyzing data and extracting information for the coach. But it's not only strategy where data can have a positive impact. It is also used to help avoid injury. In the game of professional rugby, injuries are very common. Statistics show that the average player misses 2 games a season because of injury. Take the Australian rugby team, the New South Wales Waratahs, for example. In one season, 18 of their 35 players suffered a combined total of 24 injuries, and it cost the club $2.7 million in lost wages. Dealing with that number of injuries is tough for any team. Injury is much more likely when a player is physically exhausted. So if you know how tired a player is, you can let them rest for a game or two and recover. Using this logic and a huge amount of data science, the New South Wales team began forcing players to rest at key moments in the season. The result was a big decline in the number of injuries. Data scientists are also having a significant impact on the way different sports are being played. The German World Cup winning soccer team of 2014, for instance, used data to work out that the more time that each player kept the ball, the less successful the team was. They used this information to change the way the team played. Before introducing the new strategy, each player kept the ball for 3.4 seconds on average. After the new strategy, it went down to 1.1 seconds. So, are there any downsides to using data science in sports? One criticism is that all this data makes the role of the coach less important. Data scientists themselves, though, deny that this is a problem. They say that coaches will always use their intuition first, and that data simply provides the coach with a more complete picture of what is happening. Motivating players is something only the coach can do. A second criticism is that data science is making sports more boring. Sports are all about excitement, drama, and watching the exceptional players who can win a game for their team. Forcing those players to rest is not a popular idea, and it's easy to see why fans don't like it. It's also not hard to see how the best strategies to win a game might not be the most entertaining. Nonetheless, data scientists believe that their data is improving the experience for fans. Data shows which strategies work and which don't. It helps coaches pick the best team players and shows players how to improve. It also provides almost endless statistics for fans, and this helps them to understand the game better, and so enjoy it more. The future is definitely going to involve more data.